Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machines. Here we have a two set of a 10 ton per day capacity, two ice machines in the factory. These are the two machines. They are the same capacity, 10 ton of ice tubes within every 24 hours. And they are the same technology. Both of them are flooded refrigeration systems. They are with the same compressor, the same color, and they are both with stainless steel frame, like this. And the stainless steel frame is reinforced in the corners to make it stronger and stronger. So what is the difference between these two machines? Can you tell that? Yes, condenser. This machine is equipped with a water cooling condenser like that, and the water cooling condenser is connected with the water cooling tower like that one. This machine is equipped with the air cooling condenser. The air cooling condenser is separated from the ice machine body. It's always located outside the facility, so it can easily release all the heat into the ambient. And the air cooling condenser is always located on a higher level than the ice machine, so the liquid refrigerant can naturally fall into that vertical liquid receiver. I already made a video to show the quality of ice tubes made by this water-cooled machine. I am also going to make some video to show the quality of ice tubes made by this air-cooled machine. Then I will share the video with you so we can check and confirm if this machine, air-cooled system, can also make more than 90% of the solid ice tubes. If the solid ice tubes are transparent, crystal clear, and beautiful enough. So why are we so concerned about the quality of the ice tubes? Because that is one big reason how you are going to beat your competitors. And that is one big reason how you are going to sell your better quality ice with a higher price than your competitors. Again, this machine is a flooded refrigeration system. It's very power saving. Using my flooded refrigeration system allow you to make your ice business at least 30% more profitable than using other Chinese poor technology machines. So this is the 10 ton per day air-cooled cube ice machine. The ice will come out very soon. The machine is doing the defrosting. We put the camera here and wait for the ice to come out. this is all the ice came out from this 10 ton per day air-cooled 2 by machine.